Welcome guys! In this video, I will show you how to create an animal coloring book that can earn up to thousands of dollars each month on Amazon. If you are new to my channel, my goal is to teach you how to make money from Amazon KDP. We will go over everything you need to know from zero to sale. If you are interested in these types of videos, subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. As I mentioned in the previous video, coloring books are one of the most profitable low-content books on Amazon, and with a good book you can start earning income. Make sure to watch my previous video about the most profitable coloring book niche. You can find the link to this video in the description. Let's see how much animal coloring books are earning on Amazon. Go to Amazon website and search for animal coloring books. Look for the lowest bestseller rank on the first page. You can find the link to this free Chrome extension down in the description. Always try to spend at least half an hour or more reviewing the competitors before you create any book in this niche. As you can see, we have a couple of books with the amazing bestseller rank here. You won't see that many low bestseller rank in other low content book niches in Amazon KDP, and that makes the coloring books amazing. It seems this one has the lowest bestseller rank on the first page. As you can see, this animal coloring book bestseller rank is 384, which means this author is earning more than a full salary just from this book. This book price is $7.97 with more than 3,000 reviews. The next important thing in calculating a book profit is the number of pages. Let's see how many pages has this book. Just click on the book and scroll down to the product detail. Okay, this book has 52 pages, which has the minimum printing cost. Now that we have everything we need to calculate the monthly profit of this book, let's open the TCK website to see how many orders this author has each month. You can find a link to this website in the description. Okay, just enter the bestseller rank here. As I said, this author is earning a lot of money from just this book. This book is selling 4,219 orders each month. Now that we know the number of sales, we just need to see how much profit is each sale. Just open the profit calculator. You can find the link to the profit calculator in the description. This book interior is black and white. Just select black ink and enter 52 as a number of pages and $7.79 as a book price. As you can see, this book profit is $2.53, which is good profit margin for a low content book. Now we just need to multiply the number of sales to the profit to see how much money this author earning each month. This author is earning more than $10,000 each month. Just imagine one of your books hits similar numbers like this book. You will guarantee your income for a while. Now that we have an idea about animal coloring books promising sales, let's see how we can create a similar interior. Just remember, never copy somebody else's book and graphics. You will put your Amazon KDP account in danger. You can create animal coloring books with almost any graphic software. In this video, I will use Adobe Illustrator for creating a sample animal coloring book with free graphic and premium graphic. First, we need to find the graphic elements. When I'm looking for a free resource, I always look at pixabay.com as a great source for free elements. Since I'm looking for an animal coloring book, just open the website and select illustration and search for an animal. Scroll down and look for an elephant. This elephant is good for my sample page. Just click on the image and double check the license of the image. Click on the free download and select the vector image. Now that we have the base image, first open the Illustrator. Create a new document and set the dimension to 8.5 by 11 inch. Now just drag the image to Illustrator. We need to remove the elephant colors and make the borders black. For removing the colors, select the image and double click on the color palette. Select white and press OK. Now we need to make the borders visible. While the image is selected, first go to the properties and from the appearance, set the stroke size to something that is suitable for your image. Now just deselect the image. As you can see, our animal is ready. Now the question is how much detail you want for your page. I would prefer to add a background to my elephant. So let's add a tree behind this elephant. The process would be the same. Just go to the Pixabay and look for a tree. Okay, I think this image would be great there. First check the license, then click on the free download and select the vector graphic. Since this image is black and white, this time we just need to open vector graphic in Illustrator and copy it to our document and change the size to fit the page. Now we just need to send this tree behind the elephant. Just click on the tree, select arrange and click on the send to back. Okay, I think it's good now. The next step is just save the page. From the file menu, select the save as and in the save as dialog, select PDF as a type. As you can see, our page is ready now. Pixabay is a great resource, but you won't be able to find enough resource to fill a good coloring book and be sure that your book is unique. Because of these issues, let's look at another resource for our graphics. I usually use Fabrica for my books. It's not free, but you will have access to lots of amazing design. You can find a link to this website in the description. Okay, in Fabrica, I'm looking for animal for my second page. Let's search coloring book animal here. Based on your book age target, choose either coloring book for adults or kids. My book is for adult, so I will select coloring book for adults as the category. As you can see, Fabrica has a lot of resource for our page. You can select a complete page or you can select just an animal here and use a different image for the background. I will use one of the full pages for this page. Just remember always try to change what you get from even premium websites by combining a couple of designs or removing some parts to create a unique design. Okay, just download it and unzip it somewhere. Let's look at what we have inside it. As you can see, you will get access to different format of the original design. You will be able to easily edit the file. Let's just open the file in Illustrator to see what we download. If you want to change this page, you can easily just change the background or add a couple more elements to this page. I think this page is good enough. That's it. We just create 2 pages of coloring book. Most of the coloring books just have under 50 pages, which means 25 different designs. You can use a free resource like Pixabay or premium ones from Fabrica or Vectizy. I will put the link to all these websites in the description. Thanks for watching until here. I hope this video was useful for you. In the next video, I will show you how to create a different type of coloring books. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to receive a notification as soon as I publish new videos of this series. Let me know what you think about Amazon KDP in the comment section. If you have any question, post it there. I will try to answer all of your questions. See you guys in the next video.